how to do the pretzel footwork step. Start out from a push-up position with your knee slightly bent and hip bent as well. Step 1, kick out with your heel. Step 2, land on your toe. Step 3, we're gonna turn over all the way to our knee, and we're gonna execute a power sweep. Ready? We sweep around all the way to the beginning, and then we repeat on the opposite side. We go step 1, step 2, reach over, power sweep, step 3. We repeat this motion until we get comfortable going back and forth on both sides. And as you feel more comfortable, pick up your speed, trying your best not to scrape. Once you feel comfortable, start incorporating this into your footwork and get creative. For more help with the dancing, make sure you subscribe to me on YouTube and Patreon.